Hello my friends, this is a little introduction video about my new tool. This is special tool. I have announced on my channel that I have bought it from USA and today I have got it. This is made by CTA Automotive Special Tools. Mercedes-Benz fan clutch wrench set, the part number, and this is made in Taiwan. Also here is stamped what is inside in the box. Now I will open this plastic packaging and show you details about these two items here. So here we are, my friends. I have removed these two items from packaging, and here you can see that the first one is the wrench, open-end wrench, 36 millimeters in diameter. This is very thin profile wrench, and I like it because it allows you to remove fan clutch from your engine without any damages and any issues. Here you can see that machining is in overall very good. Here we have some imperfections, I mean this and also this, but not a big deal. Trust me guys, this CTA was one of the best quality set I found online. There are many generic sets, but I prefer to buy this. Previously I have worked with this type of open-end wrench, a 36 millimeter in diameter, and here you can see how bulky and how heavy duty is this wrench, and it was nightmare always when I was removing or installing the fan clutch on my car. Here you can see how big the head is compared to the special tool. Both of these tools are 36 millimeters in diameter. They are supposed to work with the nuts and applications which are 36 millimeters, but here you can see that the difference is very noticeable, and now I am very happy that I have a proper tool to work with my car. You may need this tool, you may not need this tool very often, but if you like to modify your engine, it is mandatory to remove the fan clutch in some situations, and you must own the right tool. Here is the old fan clutch which I removed from my car. You can see on my previous videos that I have changed the fan clutch with the OEM Sachs new unit. Here you can see that previously someone removed it with the chisel, and this is not acceptable because it is installed on the water pump, as I remember, and this is good to own the special wrench. Here you can see how securely and how tight the new wrench sits on the nut itself, which is 36 millimeter in diameter, and spins it. Now I am ready to work with this application once again, and now I'm happy that there will not be any issues removing and installing a fan clutch from my car. Sorry for the dirty hands here. This old fan clutch was oiled and dirty. Not a big deal. Let's continue. And the second item is the holder. As I remember, this is 40 millimeters in diameter, and this is supposed to be used to hold the water pump pulley, not to let it rotate during fan clutch removal, guys. Water pump pulley has the bolts, and these three holes on the holder tool is supposed to secure the water pump pulley on the position, and then with the proper 36 millimeter open-end wrench you can rotate the nut and remove the fan clutch from your M112 and M113 engine. So this is a custom-made holder I was using previously, and it was very difficult to use this tool. It harmed my hand. It is flexible, and I don't like this because I finally decided to buy this special tool. This is not a cheap tool. I spent about 70 US dollars for it, and I think that 70 US dollars for this type of tool which is made in Taiwan is quite a lot of money, but you cannot find it less, guys, if you want some enough good quality. And now I am sure that when it comes to removing the fan clutch from my car, I will be ready to do it without any issues and without any troubles. So hope it was informational video for you. I highly recommend this type of tool any M112 and M113 enthusiast. If you like this video, please thumbs up, make sure to subscribe. Catch you in the next episodes. And I want to check out that this is not promotional video. I have spent my money for this tool, and I am sure that this is a good investment. Here is the part number once again. If you want, you can check it online. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.